Hi, this is Kareena Kapoor Khan and you're watching me on MissMalini.com. Well, I think I've practically grown up looking at Magnum ice creams and wanting to eat them in different parts of the world, and now to finally have it home and to be the face of Magnum and join such popular Hollywood names, I think that's a huge compliment to me and a big honor to be associated with this family. Absolute pleasure and the most divine experience, because that's the only thing that chocolate can do. When you think of chocolate, it's like it gives you that sense of wow. Well, I mean, a lot of people ask me this question, but it's not like I really have to make too much of an effort, because when you're in love, there's never an effort. And I love my work and I love my husband. So I think it just happens. No, unfortunately, I'm not a TV serial wife. I'm quite modern, and I mean, we probably both would cook together if we have to with a glass of wine, but it's not like I'm cooking and stirring up things in the kitchen for him. But I mean, I should actually. Maybe someday I will. No, I love chocolates and ice creams, and it's nice. I mean, everyone, a bit of indulgence and a bit of a treat. Everyone wants to feel that pleasure in life. And I never look at calories, I just look at the pleasure aspect of it. Well, now I'm going to start shooting for a film called Singham 2, which is directed by Rohit Shetty. And then after that, a film with Farhan Akhtar, which is called Bombay Samurai. They're great, I mean, I think I am what I am is because of my fans, and I can really say that because they've actually been very, very loyal to me. And I wish I could actually go out there and meet each one of them, but that's what all these websites are for, I guess. I mean, I think it's like a lot of responsibility to be on Twitter and to constantly be updating stuff and putting it out there, and I'm not that kind of person. So I'm quite a homebird, and I like watching TV, or I've started reading. So these are the kind of things that I like doing. Twitter there's too much responsibility. Like I said, they can get to all your websites where you'll have all the information, which I don't know if it's the right or the wrong information, but there is information. I'm just wanting to work with interesting new people, because there's so many of them around. Today I think everybody has a great script. It's not necessary that you have to be a big name. Today it's about having a big script and a great script in hand. No, I know, but I didn't do anything, because for me every day I celebrate love. I don't need one particular day to celebrate my love. And so we really didn't do anything as such.